Hello guys, you're welcome back again. This is the second part of the first video that I made with regards to this trading system. I want to show you its capability that it can trade both currency pairs, boom and crash. You don't catch spikes with it, guys. You do not catch spikes with it, but I can guarantee 5 to 10 candlesticks definitely in each trade. Let's see how it goes. So it all depends on how you want to trade it. If you are a high risk trader that you can trade without the arrows, and how you do that is be sure that price is trending before below our moving average right here. And then see the cloud turns to red, the candlestick turns to red, and that happened somewhere around here. And you pick 5 to 10 candlesticks and you're off. 5 to 10 and you're off. Now, in the case of the arrow, here we could ascertain that the price was going to go down for a longer period of time, because at this point you can also do the same thing using the higher time frame to know where the trend is going. Now that is the most important part, and that is the beauty of this system. So in that instance right here, when this arrow popped up, you would have taken this trade without fear and ride. As long as we have this low, we have this red, the cloud is red, ride. And when it starts touching this zone right here, or this zone, or after a spike into the cloud, you exit. Let me see, let me show you GBP USD. It works also on gold, mind you, on all currency pairs, but I would like to show you on GBP USD. So this is GBP USD. Now, like I said, even at some point when the arrow does not pop up but the cloud is all in line, you would definitely see an entry. As you can see right here, on this zone right here, it broke below the cloud, went below the moving average, and the candlesticks were red. I'm talking about this zone right here, this zone right here. And then we came down to the M30 to see if we can get an entry. And if we did that, we were perfectly on time. And look at that move. Look at that move. After the arrow, this is almost a sniper entry. Our stops should have been right above here. And watch the market fall. The minute price broke into the cloud and came back out, would have exited. At this point, we don't take this buy because it's still below moving average. So this is it, guys. I don't want to take much of your time on this video. At least you have the general idea. This is a combination of multiple premium trading systems put together to enhance the accuracy of this trading system. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to subscribe. Do not forget to share the video. Leave a like down below. And I will see you guys on my next video. Peace.